Hey everyone, welcome back to Fake Tay. Managing money as a couple can be one of the most rewarding yet challenging aspects of our relationship. It's not just about sharing expenses, it's about building a future together. Whether you are just starting out as a couple or have been together for years, getting on the same page financially can set the foundation for a healthy relationship and a secure financial future. But how exactly do you manage finances together without causing tension or confusion? Let's dive into some strategies that can help you and your partner navigate the financial waters with confidence and clarity. Managing finances as a couple can be both rewarding and challenging, and it requires clear communication, planning, and cooperation. The first step in effectively managing finances together is deciding how to split expenses. Couples often choose one of three main methods: a 50-50th split, where each person contributes equally to the shared expenses; a proportional split, where each person contributes a percentage of their income that reflects their earnings; or a joint account, where both partners deposit their income into a shared account and cover all household expenses from there. The method you choose will depend on your individual incomes, spending habits, and personal preferences. But the key is to ensure that both partners feel the division is fair and manageable. Once you've figured out how to share expenses, setting joint financial goals is the next crucial step. Goals could range from saving for a down payment on a house, planning for vacations, or setting up a savings account for retirement. It's important to talk about these goals early on and align your priorities. Some couples may focus on short-term goals like paying off debt or creating an emergency fund, while others may look to long-term financial plans such as investing or retirement savings. Whatever the goals are, they should be realistic, measurable, and mutually agreed upon to avoid conflicts later. A useful approach is to set both short-term and long-term goals with regular discussions to track progress and make adjustments as needed. It's also essential to have regular financial check-ins. These check-ins help ensure that both partners are on the same page and that you're working toward the same objectives. During a check-in, you can discuss changes in income, unexpected expenses, progress toward your financial goals, and any concerns you may have about spending habits or debt management. A monthly or quarterly check-in, where you review your budget, debt, savings, and upcoming expenses, is a great way to stay organized and ensure financial harmony. During these check-ins, it's important to address any challenges or disagreements in a respectful and collaborative manner. Transparency is key. Having open conversations about money without judgment helps build trust and understanding. Some couples may also benefit from creating a budget together, using tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to track income, expenses, and progress. By creating a budget that works for both partners, you can identify areas where you can save and areas where you may be overspending. Additionally, if one person has better financial knowledge or experience, it's important to balance the roles and responsibilities so that both partners are actively engaged in managing the finances. For example, one partner may take the lead in organizing bills, while the other focuses on investments or tracking credit scores. Setting up a system where both partners contribute to managing the money can make it feel like a joint effort, rather than one person carrying the burden. Lastly, it's vital to remember that individual financial health matters as well. Even though you're sharing expenses and goals, it's important for each person to maintain their own financial independence and credit history. This could mean maintaining a separate personal savings account or credit card, especially if there are different spending habits or financial obligations. Balancing shared goals with personal financial autonomy helps avoid resentment and allows both partners to feel in control of their financial futures. Managing finances as a couple is not always easy, but with clear communication, regular check-ins, and a shared commitment to your financial goals, it's entirely achievable. By making financial decisions together and supporting each other, couples can build a stronger, more secure financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more tips on improving your productivity and lifestyle, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.